See students, coal and petroleum is formed from the dead remains of living organism. So the dead remains of living organism is actually called the fossils, right? So that is why these fuels are called fossils fuels. Let's talk about the coal. You may have seen coal or heard about, आपने देखा होगा और सुना होगा कोल के बारे में. It is hard as stone, ये स्टोन के जैसे हार्ड है और ब्लैक कलर का है. So these are the properties of coal, right? पहले जो कोल है, कोल इज़ वन ऑफ द फ्यूल यूज टू कुक फूड. पहले जो कोक है वो फूड को पकाने के काम आता था. अच्छा, अर्लियर इट वॉज यूज इन रेलवे इंजन टू प्रोड्यूस स्टीम टू रन द इंजन. तो जब स्टीम इंजन की डिस्कवरी हुई और रेलवे में स्टीम इंजन यूज़ हुए, सो स्टीम इज formed or produces from the water. So water is needed to heat up. So for heating purpose as a fuel, coal was used as well as it is also used in thermal power plant to produce the electricity. Coal is also used in various industries. So these are the uses of coal, and earlier we have seen the properties of coal. Let's talk about the story of coal. About 300 million years ago, the earth had dense forests in low-lying wetland areas. Due to natural process like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. See students, 300 million years ago, on the earth there are dense forests in low-lying wetland areas. That means that water bodies is here. So what happened due to flooding and earthquake and other natural swamp, you can say, right? What will happen? These forests got buried under the soil. These trees are fallen down and buried under the soil. ये soil के नीचे दब गए. The vegetation die and form peat. तो क्या बनाया इन्होंने बनाया peat बनाया, right? The peat is compressed between sediment layer to form lignite. Now what was happened? These forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, जैसे जैसे ज़्यादा soil उनके ऊपर साल दर साल डिपॉजिट होती जाती है, वैसे वैसे उनके ऊपर प्रेशर बढ़ता जाता है, और जब प्रेशर बढ़ता है सो दे आर compressed. द टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो रोज एज दे सैंक डीपर एंड डीपर. तो जैसे जैसे वो नीचे की तरफ जाते जाएंगे वैसे वैसे उनका टेम्परेचर भी क्या होगा, इंक्रीज होता जाएगा, बढ़ता जाएगा. सो अंडर हाई प्रेशर एंड high temperature, what will happen? These dead vegetation converted into coal. ये जो dead vegetation है ये कोल में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. अच्छा, ये प्रोसेस क्या है? बहुत स्लो प्रोसेस है, यानी आराम से होता है, इसमें कई सौ साल लग जाते हैं. सो दैट इज़ वाई द स्लो कन्वर्जन, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. तो कार्बोनाइजेशन क्या है? Carbonization when dead vegetation converted into coal, right? And it is a slow process. This process is called carbonization. See students, on the basis of the percentage of carbon present in the coal, there are four main type. The lignite coal contain the 20 to 30% carbon. Similarly, in subbituminous coal that contain 35 to 45% of carbon, and on the other hand, so the next one is subbituminous. Subbituminous contain 35 to 45% of carbon. Okay, and similarly you can see here third one is bituminous coal that contain 34 to 86% of carbon, and the last one is anthracite coal, right? It is contain 86 to 97% of carbon. So as much as the percentage carbon is increased, that much heat they produce. So on the basis of percentage and heat produced by the coal, there are four types: lignite coal, subbituminous, bituminous and anthracite. Here you can see the picturization of the formation of coal. The first one, what will happen? 3 million years ago there were the vegetation. Once the swamp occur or take place, all these vegetation get dried or covered under the soil. As they have sank deeper and deeper, the temperature and the pressure is increases and they slowly changes into coal. The dead vegetation changes into coal. That process is called carbonization. This is how the coal mine is look, right? So this is coal mine. Now in this picture you will find that the places in India where the coal mines is present or available. So, here you can see there are the places in India where the coal mines are present. So, students, when coal is processed, it gives three types of product. The first one is solid, and then the liquid, and then the gas. The solid one is called coke, the liquid one is called coal tar, and the gas is called coal gas, right. So, first one is coke. Coke, the property of coke, here it is hard, black colored and porous derivative of coal. It is pure form of carbon with less content of impurities. It has high carbon content. It is used as a fuel in metal industry for manufacturing steel and extracting many metal. Extracting many metal means metals are not present in the free stage, they are present in the form of ore. So, from the ore we need to extract the metal, and in this process coke is used. Next one, you can see the coal tar, the liquid which we obtained by the processing of coal is coal tar. Here it looks like, the property of coal tar is it is nearly black, thick and viscous liquid. It possesses a characteristic smell, बहुत बदबू होती है इसमें. It contain 42%, 48% hydrocarbon, 42% carbon, right. It is extensively used as a starting material of industry for manufacturing synthetic dyes. इन सब के starting material में इसको use करते हैं. Naphthalene ball जो कि हम moth repellent के जैसे use करते हैं, वो भी कोल तार से बना होता है, right. Earlier coal tar were extensively used for metaling road. कोल तार को हम जो डामर रोड है उसमें यूज़ करते थे, बट अभी क्या होता है, कोल तार की जगह हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, बिटुमिन यानी डामर यूज़ करते हैं, और ये एक पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट है. नेक्स्ट जो हमने देखा था कि जो गैस बन रही है वो है कोल गैस. इट इज़ गैसियस मिक्सचर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, मीथेन एंड कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. It is formulated from the processing of bituminous coal, used as a fuel to derive coke in absence of air. Means when we process coal into coke, a gas is derived, that is called coal gas. Many times steam is supplemented to react with the hot coke, thereby ascending the producing gas. Coal tar and coal are obtained as byproduct. First, it is used as a lighting in street lights in London in 1810. 1810 में लंदन में इसको लाइटनिंग के लिए यूज़ किया था कोल गैस को, और आफ्टर 20 ईयर्स न्यूयॉर्क में भी इसको 1820 को एज ए लाइटनिंग रिसोर्सेज यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ राइट नाउ एज it is not used as a light source, it is used as a source of heat.